Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Vienna rolls with puff pastry. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and thaw pastry on the counter. Roll pastry lightly and spread a thin layer of butter and sugar or jam. Cut into strips, roll tightly, and place seams side down on a lined tray. Brush with egg wash for golden color and bake until puffed and deeply golden, then cool slightly before serving. For fillings, keep proportions small so the pastry can puff. A thin smear of butter, 1 teaspoon of jam, or a tablespoon of sweetened cream cheese per roll works well. Avoid overfilling to prevent leaks and soggy centers. Mix a pinch of cinnamon into sugar for a warm touch, or add lemon zest for brightness. Rotate flavors across a batch to offer variety and pleasing contrasts at the table. Bake these Vienna rolls on a preheated tray to get an immediate oven spring and crisp layers. Brush each roll with egg wash for a glossy, deeply golden crust. Keep an eye on the final minutes since sugar can accelerate browning. Allow the rolls to cool on a wire rack to prevent trapped steam from softening the bottoms. Serve warm for best texture and store leftovers in a sealed container to retain freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.